Do not pay anything till you get placed. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time in India, Networkers Home has introduced Pay After Placement program. Hey guys, well, we understand the financial crunch is high in market and we have decided to invest in your future. Networkers Home, 22 times Best Education Award-winning premium training institute that has produced highest number of CCIEs in the world and placed more than 40,000 candidates, has designed world's most demanding industry-integrated job guarantee pay after placement program after consulting with top-notch companies and world corporate leaders. With 200 plus Fortune 500 companies tie-ups for recruitment, with average salary packages starting from 6 to 12 lakhs is offered to the candidates. Our pay after placement programs: Industry Integrated CCIE Security, Industry Integrated CCIE Enterprise, Cloud Security Masters, Cloud Computing Masters. Quickly log on to www.networkershome.com to know more about our uniquely designed Pay After Placement program. Thank you. To enroll now and secure a seat, connect with us at 9611027980 or 9354284954. Info@networkershome.com.